Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron, and today I'm with my friend Christian.
What's up?
And we're going to be installing all of these parts that you guys see right here onto the M3, as well as some brand new brakes for Christian's Audi A4. If you guys are new viewers out there, consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. To start, this is the BC Racing DS Series coilover kit. I did do a custom drill or custom spring weight on them, and this is the unboxing video. I haven't actually seen them. I had Jonathan open it up for me, and he always revs his engine whenever he starts his car. But wow, these are nice. These are the extreme lows, so they're going to give us a lot of adjustability to drop the car. These are digressive valves, so the dampening fluid will not run out, and it'll just overall be a really good coilover without any coilover fade. We got the mechanic Christian working on his Audi A4 TF SI. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
What are you doing right now, man?
I've always wanted to fucking say that.
This shit.
I've got an apprentice in my shop today.
Yeah, that's right. So what are we doing here, man?
No, just changing out the brakes.
Yeah?
Brake pads and the rotors.
Changing the blinker fluid. Of the right
You think
side
the flux
spindle.
capacitor's gonna be good to go today, or?
Don't tell me I put this wheel back on.
Dude, I found my phone, bro. It was leaned up against the transmission.
Yeah, I took out both.
We gotta pull the wheel back off back here.
Oh shit.
This video has been sponsored by G-Force Performance. So G-Force was nice enough to get me this entire LS swap adapter plate kit for the CV009 transmission, which I currently have over there. However, we're going to go over the components so you guys can check it out for yourself. So right here we have the flywheel, which is attached to a plate, and then we got the adapter plate, and then we have a starter adapter plate right here. We have a pilot bushing, which is right there, and all the hardware needed to install it. This will allow you to mount any Gen 3 or Gen 4 motors up to your CD009 transmission, which if you're in the market for one, you know, this is the one to get. This is G-Force. You guys can buy it at crossmembers.com or through an authorized dealer. Now, if you want to be part of the giveaway, all you guys have to do is like the video, comment down below giveaway, and then share the video, and you guys will automatically be entered in to get yourself some nice little stickers for your cars or for your laptops, whatever you want to put this on. We got a hat and then a shirt, and that's all going to be paid postage by me. I got a couple of business cards here as well, so cool stuff. And this is in celebration of 500 subscribers, so obviously this giveaway is not huge, but it's still free stuff, so pretty cool, right? Okay guys, so with the G-Force Performance adapter kit, we were able to mount the new clutch, the brand new transmission, to the LM7 5.3 engine with a full rebuild on the inside. Now right here, I have an FI Tech intake that I will be partially unboxing and pretending like I didn't already open it. And we're going to be installing all of the parts that are on here onto the engine. And it's just kind of not going to be a permanent thing. It's more of to see what it looks like before we drop the engine in. But yeah, I'm just going to get to that. Okay guys, so first off, we have this 102 millimeter throttle body. I know I dropped the hardware on the intake. That's funny, right? We got the hardware, but most importantly, we have the throttle body. And it has the throttle position sensor, as well as the mass airflow sensor, and it's cable, which is really nice. So I don't have to worry about a drive-by wire because I have a drive-by cable, and it's 102 millimeters. Opens right on up. Very nice packaging, and this is from FI Tech. This is part of their ultimate intake lineup. Set this aside. Next, we have the actual intake. So this is CNC aluminum. There's some serious stuff, and you can see it's got some pretty nice welds on it. I know it is a case-by-case basis with FI Tech, but this one seems to be very well put together with no metal shavings on the inside, which is really nice and pretty relieving considering some reviews that are online. Also set this aside and go over further components. Now this kit came with some 66-pound injectors, excuse me, 55-pound injectors. The kit that comes with the wiring harness and everything comes with 66s, but these are the 55-pound injectors. They're alright for the application. These are EV1 injectors, so I'm going to be running some adapters because I have an EV6 harness, but more to come on that. Right inside here, we have our crossover, steel braided crossover. We have both of the fuel rails. I'll take this out of the plastic so you can see it. It's pretty high-tech stuff. Obviously fuel's going to be getting thrown through here, so it's really nice. Feels really good in the hands, and it's made of some pretty high quality, again, CNC aluminum. Same stuff they use on aircraft. Of course, it comes with the mounts for the fuel rail, and again, all applicable hardware. So when I spend $900 on a car part, it's always super relieving when I get some pretty cool stickers. You guys comment down below, I'll send you these stickers. I don't personally want them, but just comment down below stickers and I'll get those to you. I also have a sensor. I believe this is idle air. Maybe I'm wrong. Probably am wrong. And I got all the intake bolts as well as some AN fittings. It gives me a combination, right? So I believe it goes 4 through 8 AN fittings. Obviously, have the gaskets, the intake bolts with washers, and yeah, that's about it. So it's the next day. Obviously I'm wearing a different shirt, but here is the plan for today. So when we test fitted the intake on there with the throttle body and everything, we noticed that the truck water pump wouldn't allow the throttle to actually actuate. So I'm gonna have to order a different water pump. I'm just gonna go with the Ellis one, which the water bottle or the water pump neck is going to be right here, so that's no problem. And probably get another harmonic balancer. We'll just clean this one off, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna just get another one of these, and then I might actually just permanently put the rest of the intake bolts and the fuel rail and then the vacuum hoses and everything here. But I might just do it after I throw the engine in the car, so we'll see. Now we're gonna put on the rear coilovers because yesterday was very hectic. We did get the fronts done, but we were not able to do the rears just because we had to do my buddy's brakes. So I'm gonna put these rear coilovers on, and yeah, that's the plan for right now. Okay guys, so we have the rear coilovers ready to go on. Gonna take off the wheels, jack the car up, and yeah, uninstall the old one and put on the new ones. First, let me show you the inside. Okay, so the seats aren't yet seated. Now there's this airbag thing, it's just kind of chilling in there. But I was able to reassemble most of the trim. Now there's some pieces I am missing, obviously. It's going to be missing the A-pillars, which I'll be replacing. And yeah, I need some clips for the rest of the trim because the clips broke off, and that's to include the door jambs back here. So that's the only reason that they aren't currently on the car. I'm also going to be configuring the shifter for the CD009 transmission, so that's why nothing's like finalized. It's all coming back off anyways. I just wanted to test fit everything and see how it looked. See how it sees. I don't know why I said that. See how it looked. And you can see the temperature. The control unit is right there, so it's top notch, guys. Top notch. I won't have AC, but I will have heater, so that's what I really care about, is the heater, because we do have the sunroof, so I don't really care. We've got literally these windows just pop out like that, yeah, in the back, and then these roll down, and then I just got the sunroof, so I'm not really terribly worried about the AC. But I do need heater. I do need a heater because I will be driving this car in Washington, and obviously on cold days gonna need some defrost for the front and rear. So heater box is still there. I'm gonna show you guys the fitment in the front really quickly. I think I did show it yesterday, I'm not too sure. But you can see the BC Racing coilovers are installed in the front. And then we got the front looking way lower. It's situated way lower. I'm so sorry about that dog. It's literally just staring there barking at me, but yeah. We can get to the rears. Okay guys, so I got the old suspension out. Now I'm just going to install the new stuff, pretty much the same way I installed the old stuff. Again, we got the BC Racing DS Series coilovers. My camera is about to die, so I'm just going to do most of this off camera, and I'll show you guys the end result. Well guys, I finished installing the coilovers on both sides. They are definitely lower. Barely do even that, so that's pretty cool. Now there's gonna be a final adjustment once the engine's in and everything and the car's running and driving all the way, but I really like how it looks, and I'm excited to see what it looks like when the engine's in. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I'm filthy. I'm definitely gonna need to go take a shower and pretty much just wash up. Then we'll be doing some other things to this LS swapped M3. Hopefully be putting the engine in a couple of days, but before we can do that, I'm gonna sand the car down, get it ready for paint. That way I can paint it here in a few days. So yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. Remember, if you do want to be part of the giveaway, to comment down below giveaway, share the video, and like it. Thank you to G-Force Performance for sponsoring today's video. You guys can check out G-Force Performance at crossmembers.com. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a good day / night wherever you may find yourselves. And yeah, peace.